Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to disable Windows Firewall on your computer. So this tutorial will be for Windows 10 and Windows 11 and it will be very easy. So let's get straight into it. First, let's go to the search bar here and then search for Windows Security. So click on this once and here you will find yourself on this homepage, right? So go to Firewall and Network Protection. And here you will find all the networks that you may be connected on. So in my case, I'm at home, so this is a private network. But if I'm at the corporate network, for example, where I'm working, then I'll have the domain network. Maybe there is a public network like a coffee restaurant, etc. So we will go through each one of these one by one. First, if you are in the domain network, so probably you will have a firewall on your corporate Wi-Fi, but you might also want to disable the Defender firewall for any reason, really. So just go to domain network and then click on off. Here you will find this on, click on off. Now you have a confirmation message and yeah, click on yes. And here, just turn it off. Now you can turn it on again, obviously. This will work for any network. So this will be the same for the private network and for the public network, even though it's highly recommended to turn it on for the public network and the domain network, because some people might want to access your computer on these public places. Now, this was the first method to just disable it from the settings. Now, if you don't want to disable the firewall completely, because your device will be vulnerable, but you have an app that is interfering with the Microsoft Defender firewall. Now, what you want to do is go to Allow an app through firewall, and here you will have to add the application. So, as you can see here, I have a lot of applications that I can add to be unbothered by the firewall, basically. So if I have like an anti-cheat, if I have antivirus like Avast, etc., it may be interfering with the Microsoft Defender firewall. So just go to change settings and here choose the app that you want to add. So let's just add the Overwolf browser, for example. Click on this and then click on this and this. Now just have to click on OK and it will be unbothered by the Defender firewall. Or you can go to allow another app and here search for the app that you want by browsing here. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.